It's time to get comfortable behind the wheel of the Lincoln Navigator SUV. The elegant design of the interior and impressive 48-inch panoramic display embodies the power of sanctuary. Vehicle controls have been thoughtfully placed, providing a clean aesthetic in the cabin. Now I'd like to show you where to access some of the key controls to personalize your settings for incredible comfort in your Lincoln Navigator. To get started, access the control pad on the right-hand side of the steering wheel. The right side steering wheel controls driver adjustments, such as side view mirrors, steering column and pedals, as well as media and voice. Once clicked, you will be presented with different options you can adjust as the controls will appear on the panoramic display screen in the front of the steering wheel. The upper left icon represents driver adjustments. You will see a steering wheel in the top middle position, pedal in the bottom middle, and left and right side view mirrors in the respective left and right positions. Select the mirror you want to adjust, then press the directional arrows to adjust the position. Press the to mirror icon to toggle between the left and right side mirrors. To return to the previous menu, press the back button. If you wish to fold in the side view mirrors when parking in a tight garage, press the same control on the steering wheel and then press the icon of a mirror with an arrow. Press it once to power fold the mirrors and then press it again to unfold them. You can also set the mirrors to auto fold or unfold when you lock and unlock your vehicle. To do so, from the center touchscreen, select the vehicle icon, then settings, scroll down, select vehicle, scroll down to mirrors, and switch auto fold on or off. The control to adjust the steering column is also located on the steering wheel. Press the button to access the steering wheel option, then press the directional arrows to adjust the column up or down and in or out. Conveniently, the same control is also used to adjust the foot pedals. Press the icon of the shoe on the pedal, press the up arrow on the control to move the pedals toward you, or the down arrow to move the pedals away from you as shown in the instrument display. The right-hand side control also provides access to the media and voice controls. If you're in an active phone call, then the controls change to reflect the upper right option for phone controls. For more information on how to create your optimum driving position, please see your owner's manual. Thank you for watching.